Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make stats public in Fortnite so you can fix Fortnite tracker stats not showing, right? It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, load up your game, then you should see a similar window like I'm seeing here right now, and then you just need to press escape button if you are on computer, and if you are on I believe PS4 or PS5, you just need to press options button. Then on this window you need to press on this icon here, then you need to go to settings, then you need to press on this icon here that's named basically account, and then you need to scroll down until you see a public game stats, right? And then you just need to turn this option on, and in that way you will make your stats public in Fortnite. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.